What we're looking at here is we have a very, very large swimming pool project where we're going to be removing all the tile on the floor and coming up to the line here on the walls down and redoing all of this. So this particular project, obviously we need egress in, so we've got a ladder and this soon to be a stair tower like we have over here. We have a stair tower, but what we're looking to do here is we're looking to work in unison at a large university that has pedestrians and students walking through the corridors to get to their locker rooms over here. So we need to segregate our scopes of work in all these Olympic swimming pools by tenting it over. We're using jersey barricades with airline cable attached here, stretching over 85 feet across and draping this visqueen over the top of it to create that tent effect, and that in turn is going to contain our dusts. So we're protecting the upper deck with plywood. Jersey barricades are filled with water. We've got the tautness across and draped our visqueen across. Underneath the big tent over here, we have negative air machines filtering the ventilation out of the building. And it's 85 degrees in here right now. So what we're anticipating down below during the demolition of all that tile is extreme heat. And we're bringing in 4 of these large fans with additionally 4 negative air machines to help ventilate this space, which in turn should lift all that visqueen a little bit further from the gentleman working down below. And what we've done here is we've segregated this corridor for the owner and the students to get to their excess locker rooms while we're working in this space right here. So a lot to take into consideration when we do our pre-construction safety plan as far as what is our scope of work, how do we engineer out any exposures that we may create to protect the owner and client. Even these power cables going underneath to our electrical box here, we've got a nice crossover path. And then here for the students who are coming from this side of the swimming pools to this side of the swimming pools, we've actually put up some signage and some small barricades leading into their locker room. Here's a couple of negative air machines that vent outside that'll be fired up once we start the demolition. And you can see these are common corridors where we've got staged materials. A lot going on here. We're just mobilizing, but it gives you vision of the engineering controls that have to be thought about, implemented, and then of course followed through moving forward. A little bit of a different type of scope of work for Bergling Construction Company. Very interesting in itself.